Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll learn how to import a device in Netpicker. So again, in the software, what we do is we go to devices and this page would appear. We have three tabs: devices, schedule, and vault. So in this video, we'll learn how to import devices manually, meaning we have to put in the credentials, device name, device platform, everything manually, one at a time. So if you have 10 devices and we want to add those 10 devices, we have to import them one at a time. So what we do is go to add devices, add device. But the moment I do that, I cannot really add a device right now because I don't have any vault. So we need some kind of SSH connection or some kind of connection to the devices, right? Because we actually want to access to those devices afterwards. We want to run commands, we want to run tests, and so on. So the transport mechanism is going to be SSH, and NetMiko is going to handle that for us in the backend. And we're going to create a vault. We'll just give it a name. I'm going to call it Cisco, something very simple. And account type is going to be SSH in this case, username. And I have a router locally. It's a Cisco iOS router. And I already set up SSH and privilege level 15 on the device. So what I do here is type in the username, which is admin, and password is Cisco. And I'm going to save the vault. And now if I go back to devices, add device, now since I already have a vault, which is here, I just have to put in the IP address and the rest of the parameters. So the IP address is going to be 31.49. Name is something optional, Cisco or maybe iOS. Platform, and as you can see, these parameters are NetMiko syntax. And again, NetMiko is going to handle all the SSH connections for us in the backend. So what I'm looking for is Cisco iOS here, should be here. And tags, I can just leave it empty for this moment, but tags would allow you to basically collect certain devices and run bulk tests on the devices that have the same tags afterwards. I'm going to add the device. And right now, license is red, but if I refresh the page, it is now green. So if I click on this and I go to CLI, and you don't need to log in manually. If you run any commands here, if you type in any commands, with each command that you send, an SSH connection would be created for you, and you get a result back. So what I do here is say show version, and it's going to take a few seconds, and there we go. This is the show version output that I see inside this web browser. So that was it about importing devices manually. I will see you in the next one.